All right, so this section's 15.3 is Hamilton circuits and algorithms. So we're still talking circuits like our Euler circuits, but obviously they must have some other feature or we wouldn't give it a different name, right? Obviously, right? Yes, of course. Okay, good. All right, so to start with, a Hamilton circuit is a circuit in a graph that should say that visits each vertex exactly once, returning to the starting vertex to complete the circuit. Okay. What's different between this and an Euler circuit? Okay, one's talking about vertex, the other's talking about edges, right? Okay. This one talks about visiting every vertex once, but I don't have to cross every edge. It didn't say anything about the edges, right? I just don't go to each vertex more than once.
So the only vertex that can be repeated is the first one.
Exactly, and it only repeats on the final stop. Okay, so this is like the idea of me wanting to run all my errands, but I don't want to go to Walmart twice, right? I mean, I may use the same roads to get to where I'm needing to go next, but I don't go to Walmart twice. Now that's different than an Euler circuit, because in an Euler circuit, we wanted to go along each path, like each sidewalk once. So we might have gone to the vertices, the actual points, multiple times, and that was okay. But we had to make sure we covered all the paths instead, all the edges instead. Okay? So this is actually what some of you were confused with when we did paths in section 15.1. And we're going to give an example. So here is a graph, A, B, E, C, and D. And there are some, it says, in some paths, oh, it's on the next slide, I'm sorry. So a graph is shown. Some of the paths in the graph are specified. It's on the next page. Determine which paths are Hamilton circuits for the graph. If not, say why not.
There's supposed to be an X in that square.
There is, and depending on when you printed it out, it may not be, so just draw it in for me. Okay, Tyler? Yes, you should have B and D connected and C and E connected with an edge. What that means is you printed this off really early this morning, because I fixed it really early after that too. But yeah, that's good. All right, so here are my different paths. So the first one says A, E, C, D, E, B, A. So we're going to copy this and go back into my other slide. All right, so here's the one I want to try. I want to start at A, and I want to go to E. Is that okay?
Yes.
E to C okay?
Yes.
C to D okay?
Yes.
D to E okay?
No.
What's wrong?
I hit E twice.
I went to E twice, didn't I? So I can't have this going on. I cannot have this repeat. So this is not a Hamilton circuit. Because why?
It repeats over time.
Because E repeated. I went to E twice, something of that nature. That's the problem. Okay, let's try another one. I think if I put it down there, I'll see it well enough. All right, this one goes A to E, okay?
Yes.
E to C, C to D, D to B, B to A. Yes. So I hit every point. Did I hit every point?
Yes.
I mean, I know I didn't hit the points twice, but did I hit all of them?
Yes.
Yes. I started where I stopped too, right? They both started and ended at A. So this one is also a Hamilton, this one is then, I should say, a Hamilton circuit. So this one is a yes. Starts it in the same place. I didn't repeat any letters, and I got to every letter. So I ran all my errands, and I didn't have to go twice to Walmart. Started at my house, ended at my house. This is a good day. Usually I repeat something. I don't know about you guys. You forgot the bananas or something. We got to go back to Home Lane and get them. All right, second one, or third one. Oops, let's try that again. All right, last one, section C, or problem C. D to B, okay.
Yes.
Good. B to E,
Yes.
E to A,
Yes.
A to B.
Yes. No.
Okay, so everything I did was okay in the sense that I didn't have any erroneous sort of things that didn't exist and stuff going on. But
Didn't touch C.
I didn't go to C. I forgot to go to Walmart. And I ran out of milk. This is a problem. Now I got to stop at Brahms or something. I don't know. All right, so yeah, this one's not good. And it's not because I repeated something. It's because I left something out. So,
Also, you didn't return to D.
oh, I didn't return to D. You're right. So somehow I thought I was going to sleep at the mall because that's where I stopped. I didn't go back home. All right, so I should have ended at D if this were working. So I actually don't have a circuit.
You also visited B twice.
Oh, goodness. How many problems does this one have? Okay, so no, I don't have a circuit. D, let's say did not return to D. I left C out completely. And I visited, okay, I can't get the line underneath there because my screen doesn't show it. Pretend that T says I. Okay, so I visited B twice. So I accidentally made 2 trips to the dentist or something. I don't know. Okay? That does sound horrible. This would be a bad day, right? This is not good. All right, so we're going to pause right here.